Good to see you.
There they are. Breakfast here.
Don't worry, it was stuffy and turbulent. Are you going home?
Well, listen.
Naputulog ko yan eh.
Not much.
Kaya ako mahal binibidyo ko.
Listen to this.
Ewan ko.
Don't call him the guy. Don't let him out. You have to keep it lost for us.
Look, it's not up to me to decide. He's a lieutenant and you're a captain.
I have to get to Vanilla. Look, it's just as young again. The hardest one, you understand? You know, it's, maybe. Madrid.
Ang paano yan? Kabate. Hindi mo lagay lang dito.
No, you may not join the ranks.
Hindi lagay.
That's military operation. Don't count on your crowd, guys.
Ay, nangangalbit pa. Bakit?
It'll take months to retrain them.
Hindi mo siya kabate
Attention,
eh.
please!
Ano yan?
Let
Tama
me
na yan.
introduce you
Hindi
a legend
kabate.
of T-mining. Mr. Tima, aka...
Tanggalin mo yan. Hindi kabate.
T-miner can only make a
Tanggalin mo
mistake.
sabi.
But our team has made a mistake.
Bawal dito. Bawal. Bawal ka mag-gadya sa unang ko.
He's made a mistake 4 times already.
Hindi kita bate eh.
Attention!
Ano nangangalbit pa? Ay. Bawal nga dito sa unang ko. Hindi kita bate.
That's Lisa.
Hindi talagang binabalik. Bawal.
Sharing my experience. You guys just arrived. They told us specifics. I was telling them about landmines.
Oo, tumatama ako sa mataya do. Bawal, bawal.
Oh, explosives were laid onto the megalith. You know, no time to
Bawal, hindi pwede.
Was it laid down?
Long ago, sir. Even before the offensive.
Aba, nananadya to ah.
There
Nangangalbit
was
pa
a lot
ako.
of work done.
Bawal nga, sabi. Hindi
Can't
na
tell you the
pwede.
truth.
Akin yan eh. Oo, tumatama ako.
I'm in charge of logistics
Tumatama ako,
here,
bawal dyan.
specifically the Homs
Kabate.
Almira Road.
Tanggalin mo. Huwag kang mainis.
The plague burning has begun,
Mabatas
sir.
mo yung kuko mo eh.
They're sending me home.
Bawal dyan.
Tima, I'm asking you to stay.
Oo,
Something big
tumatama
is
ako.
planned
Huwag mo
in
labas yung
Almira.
kuko mo.
Serious accidents.
Lalabas mo. Oo, sinal-ar.
Iranian units
Kabate eh.
want to go home.
Remind me, sir.
Bakit? Hindi kita palisan. Bawal nga dito eh. Hindi nga kita pati eh. Magpatigas ng ulo mo. Huwag sabi ko huwag mong sasagid dyan sa unang punda. Ay talagang hinarang mo pa. Bawal nga. Bawal dito sa akin. Bawal dyan. Bawal ka tumabi. O, papalambing ka. Nangalabit ka pa.
Copy!
Oh,
Copy that! Over and out!
isa ko.
Something here.
What do you need?
Bawal dito ha.
This is what
Para
I
bati
got.
tayo.
Are they buried there?
Higa na ikaw, para bati na tayo. Dali na, higa na ikaw. Higa, ayos na higa. Dito, yan. Para bati na tayo. Manood tayo ng movie. Para bati tayo. Manood ng movie. Yan, manood tayo ng movie. Ano? Bakit? Bakit ka ng kalabit?
Salam. Review.
Manood ng movie tayo. Ayun ang movie. Ayan.
Jamila. Have you seen her? Jamila. Jamila.
Oh, ayun na naman.
Mars.
Diyan na ikaw.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Oh, mga ngalbit pa eh.
Riyadh.
Movie ha.
Yeah.
Are you with your miner?
No, I'm on the base.
I didn't give you certificates.
Copy that! Alright,
Look, remember Jamaica?
Yeah, sure.
Every phone.
Hindi ko matulog na ikaw. Reset na lang, tulog na lang. Awa mo na ikaw.
Give on!
Find out something.
Get him back!
It's good.
Dima, it's time to go.
It's Captain Jim, kid.
I'm sorry, Captain. Sir. We have an order to keep moving.
Saan?
I shouldn't have brought on you guys yet. If I just handed you your certificates, they would have been alive.
No? Sabi wag kainin ng boko. Na.
Those men would have been alive.
Ito lang ako dito, Mega dito. Dito Mega. Yan. Iga. Mega dyan, Mega. Mega, magalit ako. Sige ka. Oh, nagbabarilan na ako. Manood na doon.